When we enter in the clinic, we cover ourselves everything completely, and then after coming to the clinic, even in the entrance, we do the steriline, we do the sanitizing our hands, as well as we remove the ones which we were been putting outside, and we put the fresh cap, the disposable fresh cap, as well as we will be putting the disposable fresh mask also onto us. And also we check our body temperature, as well as we check our surface temperature also, because surface temperature and body temperature both are the different thing which will tell about how is your temperature. And the important thing is to read out what is your respiratory rate, not only your oxygen capacity. So with this meter, I'm reading up over here. It is going to show my heart rate, my respiratory rate, my oxygen saturation, as well as my perfusion index. So currently, if you can see, 98 is my oxygen saturation, 21 is my respiratory rate, 85 is my heart rate, and 4.7, which is close to the 5, which ideally should be, is the perfusion index. So this is the care that we take in the clinic. And the important thing currently, being an aquatic center, we are currently avoiding taking any patients for aquatic therapy, which we have already made certain norms and rules and regulations and sanitizing how the products, which will be commencing soon. But currently we are only taking the physiotherapy sessions, which is really important and they need our attention. Otherwise, there is an online video sessions also which we are providing, as well as the diet sessions are also given online. Hello everyone, I am Prachi. I am a sports physiotherapist. I have my physiotherapy clinic as well as an aquatic center, and it's in Mumbai. We have started with the center with taking all precautionary measures as well as safety measures with our patients, and they are seeing the results, as well as it's completely hygienic and safe over here when they come. So how do we start? So wanted to show it to you. We first take the consent form, Google Documents on, and it's a COVID consent form, so I come to know from which area are they coming and how is it. When they book an appointment, I ask them to fill it up. After checking onto that, I see across whether they can be called over here or no, and then we ask them to carry along with them in a sealed bag clothes which are completely hygienic, which they have not used before, and which they just come over here, they'll put in over here, and while going again they'll lock in that sealed ziploc bag and then take it away. Along with that, I ask them to carry a fresh mask as well and a fresh pair of socks. So because we are completely maintaining a hygiene condition over here, rather than just putting a sanitizing aerated on over to them entirely, it's always better when they are over here, they put the fresh clothes on them, fresh socks on them, and a fresh mask on them. So even over here, we don't ask patients to accumulate or come in the waiting area and sit up together. We take patients on appointment basis. So for 40 to 45 minutes a treatment goes or a consultation goes, and then the remaining 10 to 15 minutes again we sanitize the area, and once that patient has departed, then only we call the other patient inside. So we are not asking everyone to be together over here. As well as we have a personal security whose things have been checked, everything with the temperature as well as with the oxygen saturation, and he doesn't ask you, he will ask you and he only mentions up, so you don't have to even jot down or do any entry. As well as the private parking is also over there, where you can come and park your car and then you can strictly come inside. Other important thing over here is we don't only check the body temperature, we also check the surface temperature, and we mark in the entry as well as at the exit. Then we ask them to sterilize their hands, and also with patient only one relative is permitted, not more than one. They can remove their footwears outside, they can put the footwears inside, which are again sanitized, or we give them a disposable shoe to put on. Then after sterilizing it, then they will be using an oximeter which also reads the respiratory rate, as well as it reads the oxygen saturation, your heart rate, and as well as the perfusion index. So we know even how your lungs are capacity is with the respiratory rate which comes into the oximeter. Also we have an assistant therapist who is over here. She also tells the patient how to be guided across. Not other therapists are also involved over here. So we are maintaining a social distancing as well as less as possible members inside in the clinic. So we do the sterilization, sanitizing, as well as we check with the body temperature, noted down for 36. Then we also check with the surface temperature, which is 32.3. And then we will be checking with the oximeter. And we'll be checking with his all vital capacity and we'll be noting it that down. When the patient enters over here with the fresh pair of clothes, fresh mask, as well as a fresh pair of socks, or whether they are putting their clinic slippers, it's absolutely fine. Then we ask them if they want to put the disposable socks. So then we ask them to put the disposable socks on their feet, and then recyclable disposable gloves are also been given to them to put on their hands, as well as a fresh disposable hair cap, because most of the infections are traveling even through the hair if you are not washing them regularly. And over here in the clinic, then we have non-woven sheets. One sheet is kept, then a second sheet is kept, and there is another sheet inside. So then once the patient is done, then we remove this sheet and then we discard it. So care is taken. As well as with the pillow cover, there is already a disposable pillow cover, and then we have rolled across an entire disposable sheet on it. So we are maintaining all hygienic conditions over here in the clinic. And when they have to do the head down face end position, so even for a face end position we have kept a disposable as well as a head end. So everything over here is completely sterilized, as well as we are using a sterilium over here. So this sterilium, have a sterilium. So sterilium is a German product again, and this is the original sanitizer. We are using sterilium. These are also been used in the hospital, in the ICU centers. So we use the sterilium even over here in the treatment room when a patient arrives at the reception, as well as when a patient is there in the cabin. So we are completely maintaining all the hygiene and safety conditions, as well as taking all the precautions. So it's completely safe to enter into the clinic, and as well as we are not taking more than 5 patients in the clinic currently. So the disposable shoes there.
Gloves.
Yeah. No worries. Thank you. And the hair cap. Sterilized. Because even the gloves are coming sterilized, still we sterilize it. Okay. Thank you.